In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to another page on Wix. Whether you're creating a brand new website or updating an existing one, knowing how to connect different parts of your site is crucial for a seamless user experience. Let's dive into the process. The first step is to go to Wix's website. Once you're there, you'll need to create a new account if you haven't already, or simply log into your existing one. This is straightforward, but if you're new to Wix, just follow the prompts to get yourself set up. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard, which is the starting point for accessing all your sites. Now, you can open an existing project if you're continuing work on a site you've already started. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new site. Wix offers plenty of templates to choose from, which can be customized to fit your needs. Once you land on your project, it's time to start making those all-important links. To link text on your site, locate the text box that you wish to connect to another page, or simply highlight the specific text within a text field. This is the anchor text your visitors will click on to reach another page, so choose your wording carefully to make it clear and relevant. In the text editor toolbar, which is typically located above your page as you edit, you'll see a link icon. Click this icon to open the link settings. This is where Wix makes it really easy to create navigation paths throughout your site. As soon as the link menu opens, your next choice involves deciding where you want this link to take your visitors. In this case, you want to choose the page option. This selection tells Wix that the destination of this link is another page within your own site, rather than an external website or different resource. Following this, you'll be presented with a list of all the pages you've created within your site. Simply scroll through the list and select the target page that you want your link to point to. If your site has many pages, make sure you select the correct one, or consider using clear, unique names when creating pages to ease navigation. With your target page selected, you're almost done. To finalize the process, click Done. This action saves your link and makes it functional for any visitors using your website. And there you have it. Linking to another page on your Wix site is as simple as that. Make sure to preview your site and click through your new links to ensure everything is working smoothly before publishing any changes. With this skill in your toolkit, you're well on your way to creating a connected and user-friendly web experience.